I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is manufacturing in space. Look no further than what's in the news, and SpaceX is showing that this is a doable proposition. There are three key reasons why. Number one is the economies that are making manufacturing in space possible. So SpaceX has reusable rockets, which are showing for less cost, you can actually increase your payload, which means increased capacity. So win-win. Number two is microgravity is enabling unique manufacturing processes, such as advanced fiber optics and specialized pharmaceuticals, which is really quite critical and something that the US needs to gain momentum on rapidly. And number three relates just to that, and that is Starship is designed for scale and to industrialize space. So what should we take away? Well, think innovatively, creatively, differently, and you can find a way to develop something that is a win-win-win. Less cost, better performance, and better outcomes. So be thinking about that, and you never know what you'll develop and or reconfigure tomorrow.